March the 6th. Good morning. Well, my kitchen countertop and sink is finally finished. I'm pleased that I have a new garburator, new sink faucets. That's the soap dispenser, the main faucet, and the spray faucet. My backsplash, and all new switches. Before, I couldn't put on the microwave and the toaster at the same time, or it would cause a break and the lights would go out. So I have so many drawers now that I can't fill them all. And isn't that great? Let's see, we'll go down here and just show you my new drawers. Pull out. There. And all my other drawers. Yes, so that's it. She's finally finished. And it's a sunny day too. So that's it from Jean's Kitchen. Bye-bye.